Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the second vlog from Berlin, where I'm a guest of Huawei and will be attending IFA. For those of you who don't know, IFA is one of the biggest consumer electronics trade shows that happens annually, usually at the end of August, beginning of September, and it's a crucial time for technology and consumer electronics companies to essentially show off their products before the crucial trading season, which is Christmas or Chinese New Year. Anyway, today Huawei very kindly took us on a photo walk with a local Berliner, a local photographer, who gave us a tour of a district of Berlin and took us for a great photo walk, described how to look after your composition of pictures, in particular of architecture, and took us up a monument with a bit of a bird's eye view of part of Berlin, where we also got to practice light painting mode with the Huawei P30 Pro. That means that, for example, where there was a waterfall, we could take some nice silky smooth pictures. I'll put one in the video. And as well as that, we then had a great lunch based on sausage, bread and added things. And when we returned to the hotel, Huawei gave us a briefing on the Huawei Mate 20X 5G. Now that's quite a mouthful of a name for a device, but it is essentially Huawei's first 5G smartphone for European markets. It's a big device. It has a 7.2-inch screen. It has a big battery, but it is a lovely, lovely device. And so I got to play around with that to get the briefing and to find out some of the rationale behind that product. So this is a device which is already available to purchase in the UK and other European markets, direct from networks that have rolled out or are rolling out 5G, so Vodafone, 3E. And yes, it was a very pleasant experience. I got to play around with the Mate 20X 5G and also experience the stylus, or the Huawei M Pen, which is something I hadn't done before. I had played with the stylus, the M Pen, with the Mate 20X 4G, which was launched last year, but I hadn't done it on the 5G, and it was quite interesting. So I've got an overview of that will be on the Tech Travel Geeks website shortly, but in the meantime, hopefully you found that interesting. And as of tomorrow morning, I will actually be going to the trade show. There's starting to be quite a few events which I think will be of interest not only to myself but to you as well. So I will be covering those for Tech Travel Geeks. There will be content on techtravelgeeks.com, as well as an update in the daily blog or daily vlog from IFA. So thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We will endeavour to do daily updates from Berlin. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.